Right, yeah. So one of the tickers for futures which is looking good now is gold. It was very bullish this morning, went all the way till 25.25. Now there is a pullback. So scanner is showing gold as one of the potential tickers which can move up now, right? Because it's bullish and at the bottom. So whenever you see that in the scanner, first thing you do is you go to 5 minutes and see is it close to a strong support area, right? Whether you should see a support zone or you should see a buy order block. That means big companies are also buying here, right? Whenever they are buying 1,000 contracts, 1,500 contracts of futures, there is a high possibility for the instrument to go up. If there is more demand, price will go up. If there is more sell off, price will come down. So once your scanner shows that, first thing is we'll go and see in the 5 minutes, is it at the bottom and is there a green candle? After a lot of red candles, there is a green candle. But again, it is not a complete bullish candle. But minimum color turn now. There is maybe in the next candle, it may start going up. Same thing, you also go to 30 minutes and check. In 30 minutes also, is it at the bottom? Yes, it is at the bottom. There is a buy order block here. So in 5 minutes, it is at the bottom. In 30 minutes also, it is at the bottom. And overall, it is a bullish ticker, right? If you see 15, 1 hour, 4 hour daily, overall higher time frames, it is very bullish. So you got confluence from the trend, you got confluence from the order blocks. So if you want to go ahead and right, because the trend is also reversing, it came all the way, all the red, big red candles. Now you can see a green candle. So wait for the candle to close, right? Because every 5 minutes you will get one candle, right? Because we are looking at a 5 minute time frame. So 9:48 means until 9:50 you will see whether you will have a green candle. If you have a good bullish candle, that means again gold may start going up. If you still see a red candle after 5 minutes, that means maybe it may break this support and go till the next order block. So whenever you see a green candle, you can start go with 1 or 2 micros. If it goes up and make $100, that is good. For some reason, if it goes little bit down, you add one more micro, right? Because with micros, your risk is minimal, right? You are not taking a high risk, right? This one is all about, right? As I told many times, this is like a test match. You don't want to take risk by hitting sixes or fours. You may get caught out. Here it is all about taking singles, make small profits and multiply them with more. So whenever you make 100, $150, you take a profit. With 20 accounts, you will make $2,000, $3,000 per day. So that is what we are now looking. Whenever we get a green candle, we can go and take. If you have a big account, you take one mini contract. If you have a small account like a 50,000 prop firm account, go with a 2 micros so that you can always average if needed. If it starts going up, that is well and good. You don't need to do any average. Once it goes till the midpoint, you can take profit on one. If it breaks the midpoint and starts going up, you can take profit on one more here. But once it goes here and you see that it is coming down, you take the profit on second one also. Like that, to add the positions or to close the positions, you can do the trimming or you can do the averaging out. So you will be more successful. So yeah, there is a high possibility we may see a green candle very soon. And whenever you see a green candle, at the same time, you can also get gold options. Right? One is you are making money with futures. Right? There was a huge gap up. So it filled the gap now. right? Yesterday I explained you, right? Whenever at the market end, it closed here. Market open, it opened here. That means there was a lot of imbalance in the market. So it came all the way down, filled the gap. Now it will try to go up because the gap fill is over. So whenever you see the green candle, you go and enter the. So that's why we have, right, one of the scanners which will show you whichever are very high at the open, they will show you that they may go down. Whichever are very bottom, they will show that they will go up. But anyway, right? Yesterday we saw for QQQ and SPY, there was a huge gap up. They came all the way down. So gold also we are waiting for a buy signal. Whenever maybe it may touch this. We have 2000 buy orders here. Once you see a green candle, so here you have 15.7 thousand sell order block. So it started coming, right? It could have bought puts here, it would have made nice profits. But again, overall trend is bullish. So sometimes it is risky to go against the trend. So that's why we did not, right? We did not see it. But even if we see also better, right? Because overall the trend is very bullish in all the higher time frames. So you avoid the opposite trends. But whenever it does a pullback and starts going up, that is where we want to enter. That is where you have low risk. So now we are waiting for that trade where you can make profits with futures with the prop accounts, and also you can make money with the options, right? After all this red, all these are bearish candles. Now it is forming a bullish candle. That means trend was bearish until now. It came to a support and trend is becoming bullish. So all we need is wait for this zone or this zone. And if you see a buy signal close to this zone, that is a good one. If you see a sell signal close to this red zone, that is a good opportunity for shorting. If I see a buy signal now, that will be a good opportunity, right? You can take once we see a buy signal or once it starts moving up, we can take 225. You can sell. Let me see which one has nice premiums. I hope it is making sense for everyone. Right? We want to buy with the big players, and you don't want to buy the bullish tickers at the top. You always want to wait for a pullback. Price will never keep going up. It will always give us opportunities. We have to wait for such opportunity and then grab those opportunities to make money in trading. So overall, gold was very bullish. Silver was very bullish. But because of lot of sell-off in the market, they also gave a pullback. Now, in next 5 minutes, we will get a confirmation if it will start moving up. So, right, for example, now I can take some 2 micros and I can enter. Right, because overall it it is bullish, it turned bullish. So just I took 2 micros. So even though it drops, I can add one more contract. It is at the bottom, so your risk is minimal. Overall trend is bullish and it is at the bottom in 5 minutes and 30 minutes. So even if it goes little more, also I can add 1 or 2 more micros and average it out, and then it will start going up. So because you are trading with micros, your risk will be minimal and you can always average, add more micros and make it profitable. So once I see a strong green candle, we can also enter the option calls. Right? Sometimes market makers, what they will do is they will do something called a stop loss hunting. Right? They will have exactly, instead of moving up from the support, they will bring it little more down because a lot of people will keep their stop losses here below the support. So they will touch the stop loss, hit the stop loss, and then price will start moving up. Right? That's what happens many times. It will hit the stop loss, right, for your trades. As soon as it hits the stop loss, it will again go into the profits. You feel like, yo, why I kept the stop loss? I should have not kept it. And when you don't keep it, sometimes it goes much further down. Right? So that's where they also doing the same thing here. They brought it little more down from the support and again trying to go up. So generally, if gold is in this way, then silver also will be in the similar trend. So once we get a confirmation on gold, we can also enter silver. Silver also you can make money with futures and also with options at the same time. Yeah, while gold is moving, right? Because now you have only micros, your risk is minimal. Even if it goes till here also, maybe 100, 150, but again you add one or two more, it will go all the way up. If it goes up directly from here, once it goes little bit up, you can add one or two more and you can make profits. So, right, this is for members who are not able to complete their evaluations. You can slow it down and take trades with micros. And then when market is so volatile with up and downs, then micros using micros will keep you successful because one is your risk is minimal, right? You won't suddenly lose 5, 600, 700 with a trade. Second is you can always add one more, two more micros if you want. You can always average. If it suddenly goes against you, you can add it, or even if it is going up, also you can add it and make more profits. Right? Because prop firm is always about small gains consistently each day and multiply with as many accounts as you want. So when you start using micros instead of minis, you will learn to be more successful. Right? Even though you may feel like, oh, I would have made more money, you don't need more money in prop firm trading. If it is a personal account, you want to get 500, 600 in one trade. In prop firm trading, even if you make $100, if you multiply with 20, that is $2,000 is a huge amount for one trade. So with micros, it is more possible than doing with a mini. So while this one is moving up, let me see some other tickers. So once we see a green candle, we'll also get option calls. There is a high possibility by Monday, again it will go to 226, 227 GLD ticker. Then somehow let me restart my trading view. It became very slow. Trade up to 100 micros, but again our right. For example, if it allows 10 minis, that means you can trade 100 micros. But again, you don't want to take high risk, right? That is where why they are allowing that much, even with a 50K account, the prop firms are allowing that much so that many people will try to go big and lose, right? That's what they want people to make mistakes and lose it. So that's why they are allowing. So each micro is nothing but 1/10 of a mini. So if gold GC is a mini, MGC is a micro, right? Just like your SPX and SPY, SPX can make 10 times profit or 10 times higher risk. In the same way, GC and MGC are similar to that. If you want to take small risk, you start with micros, where you can easily add average, you can trim whenever you want. Uh, yeah, while gold move into profits, let us look into some other tickers. Valero came all the way down. Overall crude oil came so much down. Actually, AMD we should have got it again. AMD came down and again started moving up. Okay, as of now, we did not take any options yet today. So Pfizer is looking good. There is a huge buy order block here. Once our scanner is showing Pfizer, let us also check in 30 minutes. If it comes little bit down, then overall trend is very bullish in all different time frames. And now if I get a buy signal on Pfizer, we can enter calls. And then it is also showing ADP. We are waiting for ADP can come little bit down. Let's go back to one is Costco. Kroger. These are our potential opportunities which can reverse at any point of time. Kroger should come here. Walmart. Hindi is actually looking good. So it came to the bottom, we got a buy signal. It is above the day trading cloud, but instead of taking today's, if we take Friday's, next Friday, there is a high possibility for it to go all the way till 15.6. Right? If it may go today itself, we'll make nice profits. Even if it doesn't go today, by Monday we'll make nice profits. So you can get 15.5 call of next Friday at around 50 cents. Billy 15.5 call, 51 cents for August 9. There is a huge buy order block here, buy order block here. It was a bullish ticker, came to the bottom, started going up. If Pfizer comes and touch this price, then it is a very good opportunity. We are holding our micros. Right? As I said, micros, your risk is low. Even though it may go a little bit down, it will move into profits. Came a little bit down, going up again. But yeah, so as long as you are below $300 stop loss, you are good. So it can move back into profits. So I'm still holding this. Silver gave a buy signal. 5 minutes. You can go to SLV. So they filled the gap. All the way to the bottom. There is a huge buy order block here. So silver for August 9th, I am selling 26 and buying 25. So there is a high possibility for silver to go all the way up. So we are selling 26 put and buying 25 put. So if it goes all the way to the top, you can collect nearly $45 per contract. So even if it comes little bit down, you have a 363,000 buy order block. Your risk is minimal. Sell silver 26 put and buy 25 put for August 9th and collect 45 per contract. So if silver goes above 26, then we can book nice profits. Gold, you can see some bullish candles. Right, all these are bearish. This is also an indecision candle. This is also indecision candle. If we get one more bullish candle, now I am selling gold 225, selling gold 225 and buying 222.5. And I'm collecting $120 per contract. Same for August 9th. Again, overall gold is bullish. Came to the bottom. Now we can see bullish candles. All this time it was either bearish or Indian candles. Now there is a huge bullish candle. And another one more bullish, one more bullish. That means buyers took the control now. Even if it comes down one more time, still it can go all the way up. Right, as I said, MGC, silver, everything will go up. Overall, they are very bullish. Came down and it gave a. So we waited for a good one because we only took a micro. We are holding that. Now it gave a good bullish candles. That means buyers took the control. So we entered bull put spread. So when you buy bull put spread, even if there is little bit down also, still you will make money. Right? Today Tesla might be down. Netflix actually Netflix and Tesla were in profits this morning, but we wanted to book more gains. So by Monday, Tuesday, again they will bounce back. They will move into profits. So yeah, if gold and silver mostly today itself they may make profits. All these are bearish candles. You saw a big bullish candle. Yeah, wherever I see right, wherever I see a very good opportunity, then for example Pfizer, once it touches that we can buy the calls. So if we see a buy signal here, because overall the trend is very bullish, whenever we get the buy signal, we can enter calls here. This is a huge order block, and overall trend is bullish. So wherever there is a slight chance of going down, I'll give put spreads there. So your option premiums will not get impacted. Even if they go down, they will go up again. Price will go up. Again, it may come little bit down. Again, go up, touch the swing cloud. Again, come little bit down, and again go all the way up. It will not be just one way direction. There will be always some up and downs. Just a lot of block here. Otherwise, we would have taken Great, great. Generally, if Bitcoin goes up, then your Byto will move up. You can see there is a huge 39,000, 40,000 buy order block here. Then let's go to 30 minutes. So crypto generally during the week, if it goes down, during the weekend it will go all the way up. During weekend, if it goes down, during the week it will. So there is a high possibility for crypto to go up on this weekend. There was a huge gap down. It may try to fill that gap. Let's give some more time for Byto. We closed the USO puts yesterday, otherwise they would have given 200, 300% today. Yeah, because market is very unstable, just moving based on the reports and news. We are closing most of the positions on the same day. If it does a double bottom, we can, if it does a double bottom and starts going up, that is best time to enter calls. You can see some bullish candles, but let's give one or two more candles. AMD, there is a huge sell order block here. If it goes to that price, again, it may come all the way down. We can buy puts at that point of time. So that's why this morning when it touched that 137, we took the profits, came down and trying to bounce, but it is choppy as of now. When this cloud is orange, whenever you touches the cloud, you get a sell signal. That is a good opportunity. So it may go touch the swing cloud and again come back. There is a huge buy order block here, 32,000. That's why it started moving up. Mm, because there was such a huge sell off. Let us wait for the reset of, right? If it does touch that one more time and then start going up, then it can break the swing cloud. All the way till 25.9 before a drop. I think each cloud has a level in a game. Right? If you are playing a game, when you try to, for example, that is, so it came all the way to the bottom where there is a big buy order block. So you try to go to the top, then this is like your level one resistance or level one restriction. You went there, you failed in the game, but now you know how to pass that, right? After failing once in that challenge, again you came down, again you had some food, right? Your order blocks are like your food. You had more energy, now you broke the resistance. So this time you passed the level one. Now again you have level two here. Again it will try to go hit the level two. Again it may come back. Sometimes it will come back to this cloud, or sometimes it may come back all the way to your support. And then again you will try to go. This time you will break the cloud and you will go to the top. Right? Sometimes if the cloud is very strong, if it is very wide, maybe once or twice you may have to touch that, hit it, come back and then break that. So we are waiting for a retest. If it comes here, we can enter spy calls or spy spreads. There is a huge order block, but always if price comes and does a retest, that is much better. And right after it should do a retest and then it should start moving up. That is a very good opportunity. Right? Because, for example, let us say JP Morgan bought some 30,000 contracts here, and then when price started moving up, some of the orders got filled, price started moving up. By looking at JP Morgan, Bank of America will buy some contracts, or some other bank, Wells Fargo will buy some more contracts. So when price comes here and touch that level, immediately it will bounce, right? Within one candle, you will see 300, $400 profit. So whenever there is a big buy order block, if you wait for the retest, right? Every time it may not come back, but if it comes back, that is the best, right? That's why it is called as a demand zone. There is a lot of demand here. Price comes, touch it, then immediately it will give a huge candle. Those are the best opportunities. In the same way, sell also. First time it touched it, then it came down. Again, it tried to touch it. Immediately, it started dropping. Silver, silver is moving good. Billy is moving good. Gold is moving good. Silver also will move into profits in some time. Or is in small profits, but yeah, it will give more profits in some time. Then, okay, we got a buy alert on TMO. There is a order block here. So order block went up. If it comes down and then does a one more, then that is the best time to go and enter calls. Buy that on crude oil. Buy that on IBM. IBM, there is a huge order block here. It started going up. But again, as I told, this will act as a resistance. First time this acted as a resistance, it went up, came down. It was able to break it. Now again it went there. This will act as resistance and it may come down. If it comes down, then we can again go and enter the calls. Next time when it goes, it may break this resistance and go all the way to the top. So we'll wait for it to do a retest of the support. So if you see this one, this is like where there are a lot of orders. Go to buy on Walmart, the 6,000 orders, but we want it to come and retest this level. If it comes and retest and starts moving up, that is the best time to go and enter. We got on all state. All state is a good opportunity. The overall trend is bullish, bullish, bullish in all higher time frames. It can again go back to $180 by Monday or Tuesday. But if it can come, touch it, and then go up, that is the best time to go and enter calls. We want to retest. If it without coming, if it starts going up, then we can enter the calls, or we'll just wait for a retest of it. And if it does a retest and again starts going up, that is the best time. And it will try to, because there are a lot of orders, it try to go up. Then some people might have booked a profit. It is coming down. Again, if it starts going up, we can enter Pfizer. Overall trend is very bullish. We can enter Pfizer calls at that point of time. It can go all the way till 31.20 by Monday or Tuesday. We try to touch the cloud, reversal, and again trying to go up. If it breaks the cloud, then yeah, it can go all the way till here, 5480. Silver is moving good. That means your SLV will move into nice profits. Your gold will move into nice profits. We have platinum also. Not all the metals, generally gold, silver, platinum, they move in the same direction. So if one starts moving, then the other two also will start moving. But again, I'm already holding a GC micros. That should move into some 100 to $100 profit in next few minutes. So again, if you take too many positions, it will be difficult to manage or it can impact your stop loss. So better you take one position and then you close it and then you take one more position or maximum two positions at a time until you get a lot of experience. So I'm trying to go slow because right, I know some members are just trying to do same whatever, right? Again, the objective of these sessions is for you to learn and become independent, not to just copy the trade because sometimes I scalp within 5 seconds, 10 seconds. You may not be able to do that quickly. So that's why I want to hold the positions for a long time. So I took those micros and I'm holding them. But I want to show you a strategy where you can, with low risk, how you can make 200, 300 every day. Right? We know gold was overall bullish. It came to a support. Again, I did not average it out. If I averaged it out, already it would have been in profits because I'm looking at multiple tickers. Silver is moving very good. Silver is moving good. Gold is moving good. All the three trades we took, all of them are moving good. Just look at all state. Right, one is all state. The other one is Pfizer. We can enter Pfizer now. Again, right, it did a double retest and then moving. So Pfizer, Pfizer options. Take all. Take all, right? If somebody want to take a lotto, they can take today's. But yeah, better avoid the risk and take the next week call. Listens. Pfizer 30 the next week. Our gold is in profits now, right? Your futures, we are making money. We are making money with options. It can move to much more. I could come, I can wait. It may be $80. Right? Again, always multiply with into 20 or into 30. If you have that many accounts, right? We know overall the trend was bullish. It came to a bottom. You touch the right? Even though it went little more down because you are using micros, your risk is minimal, right? It may go only 200 to $50 down. Still, you are below your $300 mark. It started moving up. If it breaks this cloud, it can go all the way up. Otherwise, it may come little bit down and again go up. If you You see again, right? It touches this one, it may come little bit down and then again go up. But again, it is a micro, so your risk is minimal. I can wait because still overall the trend is bullish. It may touch and then again go all the way up and make a lot more profits if it goes all the way to the top. If anybody want to book profit, they can book it here. And then once it comes here, it may touch this level and again start going up. Or if it straight goes up, then you can enter one more time. It is up to you based on your risk levels, right? For example, I am okay to take loss to make more profits. I may hold the positions, right? This can act as a resistance, or if there are more number of buyers, it can go all the way to the top. So if you're a low risk trader, small account, better you book some 50-60% profit here. And you see it is going down, you take profit on rest. If you're a big account, you can hold, you can take multiple trades without closing this trade. You can wait, it can make more profits. So high risk, high returns always. If you want to take low risk, low returns based on your portfolio size or your mentality, your trading style, right? Things will be different. So sometimes I'll ask you to trim, but I'll hold all the trades because I am okay to take the risk, right? Because as I said, this can act as a resistance, or if there are more buyers, it can also go all the way to the top. So because there are a lot of subscribers who might have small accounts, so once it made some good profit, we'll ask them to trim. So now the average subscriber risk is minimal. You can go to 2500, 2510 again. It should break this cloud. To touch this level one more time and then go up. You take profits on Billy. Yet again, there is a sell order block here. So if price touch that, again it will come down. It may come down all the way till 15.3. So that's why better we take the profits. Because if you wait until last minute, suddenly it may touch that and you may see a big candle. Before you realize, it will start dropping. So there is 10 here, for 4,000 here, which is 14,000 is a big number. And if it comes here, you can sell the calls. Or you can just yeah, wait for it to come back here. And then again, if you get a buy signal, we can enter one more time. Uh, oh yeah, I trimmed the silver, gold, and the Pfizer, not Pfizer, Billy. Pfizer I am holding. I did a trim on all of them. I actually, Billy, I think 90% I trimmed. Only 10% I'm holding. And straight. Yeah, all straight is looking good. Mhm, 25. State. $80. I'm selling 180 puts and buying 175 puts for all state and collecting $250 per contract. So if it goes all the way to 180, either today or on Monday, right? We don't have weeklies for all state, so we have to get the monthly expiry, which is August 16th. So overall trend is bullish. 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, everything is bullish. It came to the bottom, trying to bounce. So overall, you can say swing. It was blue, blue, blue. Everywhere it is blue. Only for small time it became red. If it breaks this, then it can go all the way to 180. There are no major sell order blocks anywhere. So there is a high possibility. But if it breaks it, then we can also buy the calls. Until that time, if we get a bull put spread, the risk is less. Even if it goes little bit up and down, also we won't. It won't impact our premiums. So if it goes to 180, then you'll make 40-50% of the rate. You are collecting 250, you can buy back at around 120, $110. That means 140 for every contract is right. If it goes to 180 and if it stays above 180 by August 16th, then 100% profits. But you don't want to hold until August 16th. You make 40-50%, buy it back at a low price. So yeah, there is a high possibility because the you can see the cloud is very very weak, right? It is not a strong. If the size is big, generally that means it is a strong cloud, strong resistance. But here it is very very weak. That means it can easily break the cloud and go all the way to the top. So that's why I went ahead and got the spread, got the bull put spread. Subbu, what is your question? I am still holding my micros for gold. Right? As I said, it can make more profits. I trimmed a few of the option contracts. For Billy, I trimmed 90%. Meta, we already have for next week. Mm, Again, we have a huge sell order block. Maybe once it goes there, we can enter. We should have entered somewhere here. Yeah, for all, we sold 180 and we bought 175 puts for August 16th. So here the cloud size is big. That means it may take little bit time to break the cloud. Right, same strategy you can use. You saw a big buy order block. You can get one or two micros, MES. If it goes little bit down also, you can add another one or two here. If it goes all the way up, you take profits. Right? With micros, your chance of losing will be very less. You will not lose your accounts, and also, right, it is the same strategy, but instead of a mini, if you have a 50K account, if you have 150 to 50 300K, then you can always go with a micro. But if you have a 50K account and if you have trouble closing it on time or exit it on time, then start with two micros, and you can, once you gain confidence, you can add three micros, four micros. So you can always average as needed. It is breaking the swing cloud. It breaks the swing cloud, then it can go all the way to the top. As I told you, if you get a buy signal close to this area, best opportunity. If you get a sell signal close to this area, best opportunity. You can avoid everything else, right? This is where you have a choppy line. Orders, there was a huge gap up. So if it breaks this cloud, then it will fill all the gap. Yeah, MES is the ticker for micro ES. Everything, right? For most of it, just you have to add M for major 90% of the symbols. For GC, it is MGC. For ES, it is MES. For NQ, it is MNQ. For CL, it is MCL. Only there are one or two tickers where the symbol is little different, like YM and RTY. For everything else, it is nearly just you have to add M before the ES symbol. Then so DoorDash, there was a sell here, came here. It is looking good for 115. Dash, second. Last nine. Dash options. 15. Spreads are two. You can buy August 9th 115 call at around 3.85. August 9 115 call at a dash 115 call at 3.9. Right. So cloud, when you come from the bottom, they will act as resistance. The same cloud will act as a support. When the colors are green and blue, that means they will help you for the price to go up. When they are red and orange, they will help the price to go down. It tried to go up, again it brought it down. It tried to go up, it brought it down. It tried to go up, it brought it down. So now price came here, did a double retest, and again it is trying to go up. So that's why it may go till here around 117, where we can take the profits. So you can see there is nearly a 10,000 buy order block here. That means big players are buying stock at this level. Yeah, we bought 115 call for the DoorDash for August 9th. We can also buy for today, but little risky, and the spreads are very wide for this weekend, for this Friday. So we went ahead and got the next week calls. So if it goes to 117, it will make 30-40% profits. So basically, price pilot and price pulse are same. Yeah, this one is already making nice profits. Your Pfizer making good profits. DoorDash making good profits. Maybe just $700-800. It's a super move. So whenever you enter at right time, option right, and the delta, all those things will help you to make more profits. Right, you took it immediately; it started moving, so your profit will be much faster. It already made nearly with 10 contracts. It made $500 plus. Wow, wow, super. Yeah, you can take some profits on this one because it made such a move. So again, it is getting close to the resistance. So better. Overall trend is bullish. The entire RSI is green. So we saw a buy signal. It did a double bottom. So this is like a strong support area. This is a strong support area. This is a strong support area. Right? Your red and orange clouds are strong resistance areas. These are your strong support areas. So whenever it tried to go up, sellers try to bring it down. Buyers again started trying to take it up. That's it, everyone. I'll post the remaining in the group, the options group, remaining alerts. Right? We took profits on nearly everything we entered. We took on Pfizer, we took on net gold micros, we are still holding. That will again go a little bit down and go all the way up. Right? It is just like a ball. When it touches the resistance, it will drop, and next time it will go and break the resistance and go all the way to the top. And that's why I'm holding those micros for $200 plus profit. So yeah, that's it. So if there are any profit bookings for the remaining trades, I'll post them in all the channels or in the premium channels. Yes, it. Do you have any questions? Okay. Anyone has any other questions? Uh, yes, Sri, you can send me an email or send a message on the bot, and I'll switch you to this trading view indicators. And because overall market, right, is just based on the news, we are trying to close as much as possible on the same day. So yeah, SPY again yesterday, today, both days it went so much down, so there is a high possibility for it to go up. But yeah, there is always a little risk involved when you are buying a swing calls. Right, today we expected a bounce up. Still, they can do it, right? Friday they will try to make money, right? Market makers will make money on the puts, and in the last 1 hour they may take the market all the way to the top, and they will make money on their calls. They will try to make money on both the sides. So when market is down, everybody will start buying puts. Then they will try to take the market all the way to the top. So yeah, if I see a good setup, then I'll post in the channel. Yeah, there is a high possibility for Monday, right? Yeah, Naveen, can you post your trading view ID? Yeah, Amir, do you have a subscription? Do you have a paid subscription? I don't remember seeing your name. So Naveen, which ones you are missing? Which indicators you are missing the access? Okay, let me see once. You already have it. Yeah, whenever you cancel it, we'll remove it. Principles. Right, all you need is some practice, right? And as I said, if you are not able to do with minis, do with micros. We'll be able to be successful with prop firms because your market is very volatile yesterday and today. So yet every indicator by itself will make $100 to $200 every day. All you need is take some time to explore and then right. If you use swing indicator for stocks, you can make nice profits. If you use price pulse or top trend, you can make nice profits. All you need is some little time. There are a lot of people who want everything very quick, right? They will try for a week or two, and they feel like, oh, this is not working, and then yeah, they will keep going from one place to other without any success anywhere. Because the problem is not with the tools. Problem is they want everything quick without taking time to learn. There is no weekly plan, Amir. We don't have any weekly plan for this indicators. You might have subscribed to the options plan. Options plan will only give you alerts, but you don't get access to indicators. So if you have indicators, you can use them, right? In forex, we made over $2,000 to $3,000 in last 2 weeks. So you can use the indicators. You can make money with India stocks, forex, cryptos, whichever you want, futures, whatever you want. Yeah, me know. Yeah, please can I switch out? Amir, you need to subscribe to a different plan if you want to get the indicators. You have to get 399 plan. You have to go to ninja underscore apex underscore bot. You have to go there and you have to subscribe. So today itself we made over $1,000 plus with the 10 contracts. Mhm. And if you take 1 or 2 months and practice well, then you don't need to worry about any jobs or anything, because trading is something you can do from anywhere. Even you are in vacation, you are in India, wherever you are, you can do it. 85 to 90% of the time we'll make profits if we just follow the strategy, whatever I shared today. Right? Just you look whenever our scanner gives an opportunity, go for the ticker, check if there are any good buy order blocks or sell order blocks. If possible, check also in 30 minutes. 5 minutes, 30 minutes looking good, then you go long or you go short, you will make nice profits. In 399 plan, you will get access to any 5 indicators. You can let me know if you want to change, right? You can always go here and you can study about all different scripts available. And then at the time of your renewal, you can say that, okay, I want these ones. I want to, right? You can remove this and you can give access to this one. So I'll provide access to that. Naveen, you can tell me which file you want. I will make those changes. Yeah, Meenu, you can ping me after 3 p.m. We'll set up, right? I already gave you the access. You might be doing something mistake, so I'll help you to set up replicant. So again, remember that forex also there are a lot of prop firms. If you use the same strategy, you can also make money with prop firms, with forex prop firms. Same thing you do with stocks. You have stocks prop firms. You do with futures. So yeah, right. Once you give time to learn and practice, then you have unlimited potential. You can do with whichever you want. Mm, okay, is moving good. It is just like a checklist. Whenever you see buy order block, you get a buy signal. That is the best opportunity. So, Pfizer, Pfizer breaks this level, then it can move much more. We took Pfizer, we took gold, silver, we took DoorDash, chili, crunchy, Image may come here and then go up again. Everyone, have a nice rest of the day and post any other alerts in the options group. Bye everyone. Talk to you later. Richana, you have to just log out and log back in, and then you have to click on that, and it will add it to your chart.